So for right now, I got it all installed and everything. I'm finna test out the app and I'm finna test out Alexa. Um, First, I'll start with the app. I got it in my smart homes folder. Tells you right there the devices. Smart thermostat. Tap on it. Tells you what the temperature inside the house is, and it tells you what the thermostat temperature is set to. Tells you some more information up here. Um, Go down here to the bottom. It tells you, it has some other controls. Um, you can change the temperature here. 77. So I'm gonna change it to 75, right? So thermostat temperature is now set to 75, and I'm gonna change it again using Alexa. So Alexa, what's the thermostat temperature?
The smart thermostat temperature is 80 degrees.
Okay, and that is accurate because it shows right here. Alexa, what's the thermostat temperature set to?
The AC is set to 75.
Alexa, set the thermostat temperature to 78.
The AC is set to 78.
And watch it change on the phone. Yeah, it just changed on the phone. So yeah, you can do that. If you go out there and take a look at the thermostat, it's going to be verify the same thing, that they're on the same. So you can use Alexa or the app, or you can just go and control it by hand manually, like most people probably do. I'm gonna go out there and control it by hand and set it back to what I had it set to before, which is 75. I'm gonna ask her again, Alexa, what's the thermostat temperature set to?
The AC is set to 78.
Where you go? Put the 10 one down first, put the 0 one down, and then you're gonna cover up with the graph. Do you understand?
Alexa, what's the thermostat temperature set to?
The AC is set to 75.
And there you have it. Bonus of what Alexa can do. Alexa, what's my internet speed?
Okay, here's Netgear. You have an existing result with 923 megabits per second download and 901 megabits per second upload speed. Do you want to start a new test?
Yes.
I will run the speed test. Still getting the results. Would you like to wait?
Yes.
Upload speed is 916 megabits per second. Your upload speed is 879 megabits per second.
Can you repeat that?
Sorry. Anytime.
We want to talk about easy to install. This was a product that I bought after I had purchased a Honeywell thermostat to replace one that I had because I wanted a smart thermostat, and I think the one that I had was pretty old and was failing. And the Honeywell was supposed to be very easy according to the instructions and some of the reviews. It was a pain in the neck because it needed a C wire, and I didn't have a C wire, and it was giving options for putting that C wire in. And but I would have to sacrifice some things in order to use that option. So I didn't want to do that. So I got rid of that. I ordered this instead. Piece of cake. I mean, and my furnace turned on. It was the instructions on the app walks you right through everything. I would highly recommend this. Now the next step is to just kind of figure out the instructions on how to set everything up on it, but the app should walk you through that as well. So I'm very pleased with my purchase.